What's up, guys? Coach McCabe here. Hey, I gotta record my last video for the Broke to Built contest. We built this thing a while ago, and ever since we finished it, these guys do not want to stop riding it. But that's the whole point, right? I'm a teacher, so we don't have thousands of dollars to throw at these guys. But we do take things and we fix them. It's kind of a lost art, right? We did it with this guy, right? This one was a busted XR80. We did it also with that one. That was a busted XR80, and now we got, oh, there it is. We got our finished product. So check this out. Like I said, I teach, so we don't have thousands of dollars. We had to take a few of the economical routes, right? When we got this thing, it was spray painted. It was crazy disgusting. So I went in and I cleaned up the wheels, and I was gonna get them powder coated. But that's just so much money for a little 50 that my boys are gonna ride and terrorize. So we just put some of those plastic spokes on there. Some might gawk at it, but it's good. It's cool. We also got, I just repainted a few things, right? We put an 88cc big bore kit in it. Went through the entire engine, redid the clutch, redid the front end, got little taller bars. Man, the kids fly around this thing, and that's what it's for. So, it's a great little bike, and we had fun doing it. Right, guys? Yep. Third one. There it is.